Hey everyone, and thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you this super easy lilac eye look. But before I go in with any eyeshadow, I'm first always priming the eyelids, and I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. To apply this, I'm taking the P84 brush from Sigma Beauty, which is my favorite brush to apply this primer. I'm just pressing the product all over the eyelids, and then I applied some eyeshadow guards. I sell these on my website anytude.shop, but if you don't have those, you can also use some regular sticky tape. Now in today's video, I'm gonna play with the Huda Beauty Matte and Metals. It has two sides. One of them is matte, which I'm using right now. It's a really beautiful purple creamy eyeshadow, and I'm using the applicator of the product itself to apply it all over the eyelids. Then after applying it all over the eyelid, I'm gonna use a blending brush, and I'm gonna take the Sigma E40 brush, kind of tapping all over it and blending the crease area. And I think this makes it one of the most easiest eye looks I've ever done, because you apply the product all over the eyelid, you blend out the crease area, and you have a really nice base for your eyeshadow look. Now you can keep it this way, or you can do something else. I'm gonna apply a shimmer on top of the eyelid to kind of make it more glamorous. But it's so easy, and I'm definitely gonna do more eye looks like this if you guys are interested. So I'm using the same product, but this time the shimmery side, which is also a liquid product, and I'm using the applicator of the product itself again, and I'm I'm applying it all over the center of the eyelid. So first I just applied the product, and then again, just like I did with the matte shade in the crease, I'm going to switch to a brush to kind of blend out the edges and make everything look more blended in. This was kind of optional. I think it was already looking good, but just to make sure that it looked even better, I did go in with a tiny blending brush and blend it around the edges. This way it's just gonna, it's just gonna look even better, I think. So now I'm removing the eyeshadow guard because we're already finished with the eyelids, and I went in with this liquid eyeliner from Ofra Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use this to create my wing liner. Now if you want to recreate this eye look but you don't like a wing liner, you can definitely skip this step. You can only do a liner above the lash line, or you can straight go to the next step. So now I'm done with the winged liner, and I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal again. I'm using the matte side, which I used all the way in the beginning. Now I'm going to use it for underneath the lower lash line to create that purple color over there as well. I'm using the applicator of the product itself again. If you find this a bit hard, because the applicator is a bit hard, you can also use a tiny brush to apply it. Now again, I'm taking a blending brush. All the brushes I'm using today are included in my brush set, which I created together with Sigma Beauty. You can purchase it. I have it all linked down in the description bar. So I just sweep my brush back and forth until I found everything nicely blended out, and then I went in with a pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's actually meant for underneath the brow bone, but I use it for in the waterline because it's a really beautiful soft pinky nude color. Then after that, I went in with a little bit of black eyeshadow because I kind of didn't like how the wing liner was looking. I kind of wanted to fill in the gap in between the wing liner and the lower lash line. So I just smudged a little bit of black eyeshadow. You can also use a little bit of gel eyeliner if you don't have a black eyeshadow or anything, just what looks dark. So then I smudged it out using a brush again to make it look more soft. Then I curled the lashes. I always do this before I go in with any mascara. And I'm gonna use my current favorite, which is from Givenchy Beauty. I've said this in my previous video as well. I absolutely love it. I do think the applicator is quite big, but it makes my lower lashes super long and really nice. And then now I'm gonna apply some fake lashes. Today I'm using lashes from the brand Tatti lashes. I will make sure to put the name of the lashes I'm using today in the description bar. Then I also went in with a tiny eyeliner brush. The one I'm using is the wing liner brush from Sigma Beauty, and I applied a little bit of black eyeshadow to make my inner corner a bit more pointy. This is optional, you don't have to do it, but I felt like it looked really good in combination with the wing liner. And then that was the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And yeah, I just hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see more of these super easy eye looks. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!